Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about oblique asymptote. So far we have seen vertical asymptote and horizontal asymptote. So what is this thing about oblique asymptote? So first question we have on this topic is, if you have function f of x is equal x square plus 4x plus 4 divide with 2x minus 1. Now is there any horizontal asymptote? So how do we check the horizontal asymptote? The degree of this and the degree of denominator, the degree of numerator and the degree of denominator. So the degree of numerator is more than the degree of numerator is more than the degree of denominator, then there is no horizontal asymptote. That's what we have studied in the previous video. So if you don't know that, please watch the previous video. Now how do we check the vertical asymptote? The vertical asymptote, we keep the denominator equal 0. The denominator equal 0, right? So there is no horizontal asymptote because degree of numerator is more than degree of denominator. For vertical asymptote, keep 2x minus 1 equals 0. You will get x equal 1 over 2. Now for oblique asymptote, there are few conditions which should meet, and that is the degree of numerator, the degree of numerator minus degree of denominator, capital N for numerator, capital D for denominator. So the degree of numerator minus degree of denominator should be equal to 1. So if you check here, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this condition should definitely meet. If it is not meeting, then you will not be able to find the oblique asymptote using the method which I'm going to discuss right now. Okay, so now second step. So you find already horizontal, vertical, and you checked all the criteria. Now let's process with the oblique asymptote. So how do we do that? To do that, you need to do the long division method. Okay, you must have studied that. So 2x minus 1, long division method, 2x minus 1 divide x square plus 4x plus 4. Now how do you do that? You need to consider one variable here. When you multiply this with the quotient with the denominator, it should cancel out something here. Okay, so x multiply all this, so x multiply 2x, that will give you 2x square, so which will not cancel. So how we can cancel? So let's do one thing, 1 over 2x. So 1 over 2x multiply 2x, that will give you x square. If you don't believe me, 2x multiply 1 over 2x, 2 and 2 will cancel, x square. Okay, now x square, now this is minus, so again this is 1, 1 multiply 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Is there any other variable? No, so x. Now you will subtract this minus this, so if you subtract this minus this, x square cancel, plus 4 minus minus, so that will be plus. So 4 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 1 by 2 will give you 9 by 2. You can do that, and that will be x. The remainder here is plus 4. Now what will be the number which you should add here again? So in this case, plus, now this is 9 over 2, I need to cancel, and this is 2x. So what I will do is 9 over 4, right? So what I will do, 2x multiply 9 over 4. So this 2 will cancel it as 2. So you will get only 9 over 2x, right? So multiply this 9 over 4 with again 9 over 4 with 2x, this will give you 9 over 2x minus, because this is minus, 9 over 4. Again you do the subtract, this and this will cancel, and here also plus 4 minus minus, so again this will change the sign, plus, so 4 plus 9 over 4, that will give you 25 over 4. I'm writing here because I don't have a space anymore. So the remainder is 25 over 4, and we don't bother about remainder in this case, so forget about this, just forget about this. But the remainder should be a constant, okay? If you have any x remaining, then you will have to cancel them. What we care about here, we care about the quotient. So the quotient here is 1 over 2x plus 9 over 4. So your oblique asymptote is the line. So that is your oblique asymptote. Your oblique asymptote is a line. So this is a straight line, and I'm sure you know how to draw the straight line. To draw the straight line, I need a space again here. So let me just remove this. Yes. Okay. Now to draw the straight line, you need a coordinate axis. Is there any horizontal asymptote? No. Vertical asymptote is 1 over 2. So that's, let's say, 1 over 2. That's your vertical asymptote. Your oblique asymptote is a straight line. So the y-intercept is plus 9 over 4. So let's say somewhere here is plus 9 over 4. The slope is 1 over 2. So one step up and two step right. Okay. So I'm not using the exact one. I'm just drawing a straight line because it's a rough graph that will look like something like this. You can write this in the Desmos and you will be able to get the exact line. Now the graph will look like this. It's approaching the vertical asymptote and the oblique asymptote. It will be within these lines. Okay. So that's how your graph will look like, and that's it. Okay, let's try to find the oblique asymptote of few more questions. So next question we have, f of x is equal x square over x minus 2. So is there any horizontal asymptote? No horizontal asymptote. Why? Because the numerator degree is more than denominator degree. Is there any vertical asymptote? Yes. X minus 2 equals 0. So x equal 2 is vertical asymptote. How we will find oblique asymptote? Long division method. X square divide with x minus 2. Now how you will get x square here? You will multiply with x. X multiply x will give you x square minus 2x. Subtract this minus this, and this will be subtract here. So that will be cancelled. There is nothing remaining here. So 0 minus something. So that will give you, okay, some 2x you will get. Okay, this is if I consider here plus 0, so 0 minus and then again minus, so yeah, plus 2x. Now how you will subtract this? So let's do x minus x plus 2. So 2 multiply x will give you 2x minus 2 multiply 2 is 4, right? Okay, so again subtract this minus the 0, minus minus plus 4. So the remainder is 4 and the quotient is x plus 2. So again, oblique asymptote is a straight line, x plus 2. So that's how you will find the oblique asymptotes. Okay, so this is how you will have to solve. Let's try one more question. Is there any horizontal asymptote? No. Vertical asymptote, you need to factor. So that will give you x power 3 minus 1. A square minus b square, that will give you a minus b multiply a plus b. So the vertical asymptote is x equal 2 and x equal minus 2. X equal 2 and x equal minus 2. These are your vertical asymptote. Again, for the oblique asymptote, what you will do? You will do the long division. So x power 2 minus 4, and that's x power 3 minus 1. So take x multiply x square will give you x power 3 minus 4x. Do the subtraction. This is cancelled. Negative 1 plus 4. So negative 1 plus 4x. Okay, is this only 1? Yes, it is only 1. Okay, so that will give you negative, oh sorry, yeah, negative 1 plus 4x, right? This is what we are getting. Okay, so how do we do this now? X minus, so let me rewrite again. 4x minus 1. Okay, so how am I supposed to get here 4x minus 1? What should be done here? Then you will need to multiply with plus 4 over x, right? And that's what I can see here. So that will give you 4x minus 4 multiply 4 will be 16 and divide with x. Okay, like this we are not able to remove x. Okay, so what are we supposed to do here? Okay, so I will have to stop here because I need to think about it.